You're a CEO because you run the business of you. As the CEO of your life, you have to take ownership and celebrate those small wins along your journey to accomplishing your goals. Because it's not how fast you get there, it's the growth that results from the climb to your success. That's what makes you who you are. You did it. You persevered. You didn't let anything stop you. Now, let me ask you a question. When was your last great achievement? Anything recent come to mind? You see, all too often, we tend to classify achievements as big, gigantic accomplishments that happen every once in a while. But it's important to recognize those little achievements in life, like celebrate each pound you lose, that test you passed, even taking the kids to the zoo. Why? Because those little achievements show the ingredients you have within yourself to achieve and continue achieving. So, we want you to do 3 simple things. First, take our free assessment designed to rate you in 4 key areas of the You Are a CEO mindset. Discover those special characteristics that make you the CEO of your life. Get key insights to take yourself to the next level and unleash that greatness that lies within. Next, create your success profile. Our success profile brings to light the hidden stories, accomplishments, and life insights that have helped to define what makes you so special. Finally, we want you to get active in the community. Remember those small wins we talked about? Well, we call them achievements. That's right, MINTS, because by sharing your achievements, you freshen the mood around you and inspire your friends and followers. And that's powerful. Achievement is what you do, and the most important success story is your own. So join the movement today. Log in now, and remember, you are a CEO because you run the business of you.